Hi, my name is Maxwell Kavanaugh here at MarineMax Rogers. Behind me is the Harris 210 Cruiser. As you see on the exterior, we have this beautiful black. It's got this very grand bimini top. Very big, provides lots of sunshade for those nice hot days on the water. Moving to the stern of the boat, you have nice stern rails here. On each side, you have a big tow bar as well for skiing, wakeboarding, tubing as well. You have the Mercury Pro XS 115, 115 horsepower for a 21-foot boat, plenty of power to do all those sporting activities. Moving further back, you're also going to have a nice telescoping ladder to board into the boat as well. Now let's take a peek inside. Welcome to the interior of the 210 Cruiser. As you move into the back here, you see this nice big lounge seating. On the port side, this seat will flip up and you have a dedicated cooler that does self-drain, which is really nice. You can put all your ice in there, put your drinks, and have a heck of a time out on the sandbar or anchored. Underneath this seat here, you have a lot of storage. So this is all dedicated storage for all of your towels or dock lines or life jackets, whatever you want to put in there. As you walk around, starboard side walk through here, you have nice seating configuration here. You have storage underneath all of the seats, and everything is on hinges, which makes it really nice. So you don't have to pick up a seat and move it around. The cushions are very plush, providing you lots of just support, and also it looks really nice too. Behind this seat here, you have a garbage can. Easy to access. Simple, right there. Moving over to the helm, you have your Clarion head unit here to control your stereo system. You have a very luxurious captain's chair with flip-up armrests. You have your throttle, steering wheel, your Lowrance depth finder here. You have your traditional gauges up here as well. You have a nice little cubby tray for your phone or wallet, maybe your keys too. You have USB connections, 12 volt, so to charge your phones or batteries of some sort. Underneath here, you're gonna have more storage. You can put your cover underneath there if you so choose to, otherwise more life jackets or safety supplies. Moving up towards the front here, again, more seating, very spacious. The configuration of how it's laid out is very nice. You have a nice walk through all the way up the front and out. So that's very nice too. You have USB ports as well up in the front on both starboard and port side. So that's super good. That way you can keep all your devices nice and charged. And that's all I have. So this was the Harris 210 Cruiser here at MarineMax Rogers. If you want to come and see it, feel free to call or stop by. Thank you.